do a video.
Okay.
Are you making one?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. You should talk into that or else you can't hear you. Because there's only a little hole.
Cornstarch and water. See the liquid run off.
April 30th.
2008.
2008. I was thinking of what day it was.
Rachel, you're getting it all over me.
It's drippy everywhere.
That is so fun.
Can keep anyone entertained.
Yes. Even a 16-year-old. Even a 16-year-old.
There.
That's why I wanted to make one big bowl of it, because then we could like split it up into 3 bowls. We could all like mash
Oh,
our own.
true. Oh,
Okay,
you
now
should
we'll
have
just punch it.
divided the recipe into thirds.
Yeah, we should have divided it.
Oh, yeah. It's dripping, yet not moving.
Ow.
I was having fun with this. Look at that. That is so cool.
And then you just like.
And then run across the top.
Oh, we should buy loads of cornstarch and fill up
And make a big
in,
tub
like,
of it.
one of those kiddie pools, and then mix the water and run